Imagine a smart speaker that doesn't just answer your questions, but surrounds you with sound so immersive, it feels like your room just got a soundtrack upgrade. Google may have just built exactly that. Because hidden deep inside the code of Google's own app, there's a secret clue about a brand new device. And it's not just another Nest Mini or Nest Audio. This one could change how we think about Google in the smart home space. Let me explain. Earlier this year at Made by Google 2025, during the Gemini for Home segment, Google quietly teased a round, minimalist smart speaker. At first glance, it looked a lot like an Apple HomePod Mini, small, sleek, and white. But what we didn't know then was its official name or the features hiding behind the scenes. Now, fast forward to today, thanks to an APK teardown of the Google Home app, specifically version 341 for Android, we've spotted the words Google Home Speaker. This isn't a code name, it's the real name, and it confirms that Google is about to officially refresh its smart speaker lineup. So what's new here? First, the audio experience. Instead of the usual directional sound you get from older models, this speaker promises a full 360-degree sound field. That means no matter where you're sitting, you're in the sweet spot. Second, it's running on Gemini voice integration, Google's AI upgrade over the assistant. Think faster responses, more natural conversations, and potentially smarter home automation. No, of course, availability may depend on where you live. And just to keep things consistent, the Google Home app is getting a redesign alongside the launch, probably to tie the new hardware and AI features together. All of this is leading up to October 1st, when Google is expected to officially launch the Google Home Speaker, right alongside new 2K Nest Cams. Pricing is still a mystery, but with its upgraded sound and Gemini smarts, this could be the device that finally brings Google back into the smart speaker spotlight. So the big question is, will it be enough to compete with Apple and Amazon, or is it too little, too late? If you're as curious as I am about whether this speaker lives up to the hype, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the full breakdown when it launches.